Today we're going to show you how to make some quinoa. I have 1 cup of quinoa ready to go, quinoa packet there, and I have some water there. So basically I'm going to do 2 cups of quinoa and 4 cups of water. So there we have 2 cups of quinoa in the pot. So now we have 4 cups of water in with the 2 cups of quinoa. I'm just giving it a mix together. So for our stove, it's an electric stove. I have it on about medium heat or thereabouts. So with a gas stove, you don't want it too hot because you don't want to burn it, but you want to bring it to a simmer. What have we got right now? Not much happening right now. This is what we want to be happening. A little bit of bubbling. So now, with a bit of fog, we have the quinoa cooking. Tiny little air holes in there, if you can see that, without me fogging too much. I've turned the heat down to a bit lower, just so it doesn't burn. And we can see all that amazing quinoa going on there. It just becomes like fluffy rice, really. So you want all the water to evaporate out of there. So it's starting to look pretty good. In fact, it's at the point now where I'm going to turn the heat completely off. And I'm just going to let it sit. I'll even take it off the heat because there is enough heat in there for the rest of that water to evaporate. And I'll just move it off.